This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the bolt in a vise so the work is stable. This prevents additional damage. Inspect the threads closely to identify crushed, flattened, or missing sections. Clean all grease and grit with a wire brush and solvent so tools can seat properly. Once clean, apply penetrating oil and let it soak for 5 to 15 minutes to loosen corrosion. Then try gentle back and forth turns. If the bolt moves slightly, stop and reassess before stronger force to avoid snapping it. Now focus on restoring the actual thread form. Choose the correct size die for external threads and ensure it sits perfectly square before applying pressure. Turn the die slowly, backing off every full turn to clear chips. This prevents galling. For internal threads, start with a slightly oversized tap if threads are distorted, then chase back to full size so the thread profile is consistent. Use a thread file for small nicks. Work along the helix direction. Make sure to frequently test fit the mating nut to confirm alignment and engagement. Finish by removing any metal chips and deburring sharp edges, then lightly lubricate the repaired threads to ensure smooth installation. Reinstall the fastener and torque to the specified value. Monitor for any looseness after the first use. If a tool suddenly binds, stop immediately. Reverse the die or tap, apply heat to expand surrounding metal, or extract and replace the bolt if necessary. If the internal thread has lost more than half its depth, install a helicoil insert to restore original strength and thread pitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.